You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Phrase from pronunciation from French, meaning my angel. It's also a television series named in English Missing Angel. In French this means my angel. Mon ange, mon ange. So we link up the N from mon, which means my, and ange, which means angel. Mon ange. Mon ange. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.